Good morning, Year 12 Single Mathematicians. Just going to go through a question from the vectors revision that I set you last lesson. So we've got question 4, which is on page 338. And the first two parts were pretty straightforward. You're asked to work out this vector, b to c. You're asked to prove that this triangle is isosceles, and when you worked out all three lengths, two of them were equal to each other. And then part C is to show that, where you have to work out cos of this angle is equal to 1 over root 5. So we're trying to show that cos of angle B is 1 over root 5. And there's multiple ways of doing this, but the clue of them talking about cos when they're talking about triangles, I know it's vectors, but it's a triangle effectively with the lengths and everything represented as vectors, but you are dealing with triangles and you want cos to be introduced. So you should use the cosine rule. So the cosine rule would be a squared plus b squared, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. So something like that. And if you made cos b the subject, so you switched everything around, you would get a squared plus c squared subtract b squared over 2ac. So that's the version of the cosine rule we're going to need for this question. So cos b is equal to a squared, so that would be, that's little a, that's little b, that's little c. So that's root 68 squared plus little c, root 85 squared, subtract b squared, which is root 85 squared, over 2a, which is root 68, b, which is root 85, and that would be it. So this is equal to, the top were, what will the top simplify to? Root 68 squared is obviously 68. These two will cancel, so you're just left with 68 on the top. And if you use your calculator to simplify the third on the bottom, you'd get 2 times root 68 times root 85 is 68 root 5. And if you simplify the fraction, you get the desired 1 over root 5 as required. And that would be it.